In the beginning, we were Llanedin ladies.
It started as Llanedin ladies,
And then was Cardiff County ladies.
and into Cardiff and Cardiff City, and we've been Cardiff City ladies ever since.
Cardiff City Ladies are historically significant because they're the longest serving club, having been formed in 1975.
This was the only club that I could actually come to play in a better tier of football.
I was given the opportunity at 16 to come and join this club. The opportunity they've given us in terms of international level, the exposure to other players.
The club is a massive conveyor belt of current and former internationals who've all had the opportunities.
The legacy this club holds is amazing.
When you look at today's international team, 2/3 of that team had what we're promoting years ago. You know, all those girls you like, see Jess Fishrocks and so on, played as a club week in, week out against very good opposition, and it helped them no end.
It's a special club with special people.